mechanism to advertising, obviously. And we appreciate, creativity, creative minds, sort of thing. This is just one example of the many creative resumes that we've gotten. So, as you'll notice, they're not coffee mugs, they're resumes. So, nandito pa number, So,
creative
things like this tell us that, more than words, that the person is creative. So, feel free to take a look fast around. Yeah. We've gotten applications in the shape of a pizza box or yung isa nga, parang toilet duck.
Flash. Toilet bowl.
So yeah, I mean, if you guys are thinking of pursuing a career or in advertising in general, my first advice would be, think outside the box. Don't be limited to the traditional two-page resume. Kasi, like I said, more than words, this really grabs our attention. Parang if you can come up with this, we're interested. Show us more. Yeah, Yeah, these are some examples. Like I said, the pizza box, Mr. Bang, parang toilet duck, parang ganun yung dating. Probably. Yeah.
Cool. Dapat tayo pagpapasa natin may creative resume dito.
Shit.
Careers, go. Gusto ko itong maging graphics designer.
Okay. But that's another certain instance here. I think it's this one. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good. Sorry. I'm sure this mentioned to you earlier, but there are a lot of facets kasi, of Macan. It's not just purely the creative side. Actually, even sa creatives, we have different what do you call this, sectors already. We have design, we have copywriter, we have art directors, we have people in production. When you're talking about making commercials, that sort of thing. But other than that, of course, we also have what do you call this, career opportunities in finance, strategic planning. HR and admin, which is where I fall under. I handle organizational development and also internships if you guys would be interested in the future. Why not? Traffic, account service or account management, that's the other side to the creatives. Yeah, business dev, corporate public relations, that sort of thing. So, even though Macan is an advertising agency, we're not just limited to making ads. We're really integrated in advertising with a lot of different career paths that you guys might find interesting. Anyway, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask. We want a project, we want an advertisement for such and such product, and then if the account managers and the people go, okay, well, what do you want exactly? What's going to happen? How do you want it to look? And then that person passes it on to the creatives. Yung creatives naman, which is the other side. They're the thinkers. They're the creative minds that come up with the. If it's written, you have copywriters who they come up with taglines. Tapos you have graphic designers. When it comes to the written, to yung visual, yung mga ganun. So, which side do you think you'd be more interested in pursuing? Either. Okay, sige. Sorry, what's your background again? What's your course?
Communication arts.
All of you are communication. Okay. But there's a lot of people in account management who are communications degree holders. So that's one. Okay. Yeah. But generally naman, no matter where you go into Macan, the general culture kasi we're looking for people who are team players, great communicators, professional. Like action. You're comfortable with a bit of pressure kasi of course when you'll be dealing with big brand clients. I mean, especially since Macan is one of the It's one of the biggest ad agencies in the world. Medyo syempre mabibigat din kasi yung clients namin. So you have to be able to, cope with the pressure that comes with that. Enthusiastic, creative, resourceful, there's a few more. I'm not into creatives or accounts, but I like to think I meet some of these.
Ang pinaka mahirap maging OFW ay yung napalayo ka sa pamilya mo. Hindi ako nakauwi ng matagal kasi yung father ko may sakit. Hindi na siya nakakakita. Yung perang ibabakasyon ko, papadala ko na lang sa kanila para panggamot nila.
Pag winter ay ang hirap. Kahit masama ang pakiramdam mo, pipilitin mong bumangon. Hindi ako basta makauwi kahit gustong gusto ko. Meron po akong binabayarang bahay, buwan-buwan, at ang aking mga anak, sa akin lahat sila umaasa.
Malungkot kasi ako lang mag-isa. Hindi ko nakita ang bunso ko na iniwang ko 1 taon lang siya.
Very shocked talaga ako. Nakita ko yung email na yun. Tapos it's amazing.
I still couldn't believe it.
Makikita ko ng pamilya ko.
Ang namimiss ko ay ang pamilya ko.
Yung pinaka-miss ko sa Pilipinas ay yung pag-celebrate natin ng Pasko.
Sobrang saya mo. Hindi ko maipaliwanag. Pilipinas na ako.
2 hours na lang makikita ko ng parents ko. Kaya ko agad sila.
Ito ang sorpresa ko sa misis ko. Mumurahin lang yung wedding ring namin noon.
So, wala kayong kamalay-malay mga anak ko. Nandito na ako. Lopit na.
Balang araw mawawala ng paningin niya. Gusto kong pagbalik ko ng Pilipinas, magkita pa ulit kami.
Gusto ko na mayakap pa ang mga anak at ako.
Nung umalis ako, yung bunso ko, 1 year old. The highlight is being with them. It's no longer a dream na. It made Christmas meaningful.
At last na buo kami. Masayang-masaya ako.
This is a perfect gift for Christmas talaga. I'm Joey Doble.
Ako si Leonie Villanueva.
Ako si Jo Marie Balion. Ito yung happiest moment in my life.